Hey guys! So I filmed this video about 2 weeks ago. Yes, I know, 2 weeks. Yes, I do wear this sweatshirt and this hat every single day. This is my girlfriend's hat, and I don't really have an excuse for the sweatshirt. So I filmed this video about 2 weeks ago, and due to time constraints, and my last 2 weeks being absolutely packed with a ton of stuff, and being crazy, and all of that, I haven't had time to edit it at all. And so it's been pretty ridiculous. But yeah, so I filmed this video for you guys. I know it's really late and it's been about a month since my last video. Yes, my hair is also getting very long. That's also for the play. But things have been crazy, as I say in the video. So I hope you guys are alright with that. Well, I'm gonna let you guys get to the video. So go for it. You guys have fun. Here we go. Let's go! Oh, come on. Really? Right now? Right now. Okay. Let's do this. Hey guys, what's up? Don't worry, I'm not driving. I'm just in my car. I know it looks like I'm in heaven, right? So I'm totally driving in heaven. This went dark. No, but that's not why I wanted to make this video. So I am currently parked at play practice, and I've got like an hour until it starts because I can't come right here from work, and that ends at 4, and play practice starts at 5:30. So why am I here? We need to talk. And this is something I think I've needed to say for a long time, but I didn't know I needed to say it. I was scared to say it. I was skeptical, but either way, it needs to be said. And I think that it's really good. It'll be good for my channel. It'll be good for you guys. It'll be good for me. All of the above. It'll just be downright good. And with that, I should probably tell you guys what it is. So I'm gonna take these off so I don't look like some kind of sketchy anime character with the sun glaring in my eyes. Okay, I'm stalling now. I know I go back and forth on this a lot, and I know I always say I'm gonna get my crap into gear and I'm gonna organize everything. The truth is, I don't want to do that anymore. I have felt creative burnout lately, and I know you guys' requests are awesome. And they help me a lot try to figure out what I need to do for a video, and I'm totally gonna do you guys' requests as soon as I can and as soon as I get the inspiration to really do them well. But things are difficult right now. So as you guys have probably noticed, I have not posted a video in 2 weeks, and part of that is because 2 weeks ago it was my girlfriend and I's anniversary, and then this last week was spring break, which you guys will probably get videos on both of those things, but I just haven't edited them yet. And as you guys can probably tell, maybe I'm starting to try to grow some facial hair. This is my first time really trying, because in the play I play Xerxes from the Esther story, and I'm supposed to have facial hair, and it's actually coming in pretty well. I'm totally, see? Not terrible. I've pretty much just started, so you know what, I'm just gonna hold it. I think that'd be a lot easier to do. Plus, you guys can see the cool view in the background, which is nice. But anyways, what I've been trying to tell you guys is things have been really hectic. I'm not afraid to say that I have been going through some stuff emotionally, and just through some crazy stuff in my life right now. And life has been hectic. Life has been scary. And it's been nerve-wracking. And I know things are going to get better soon because summer's coming up and things will get less hectic for me and some other people, and it'll be good. But right now, life is scary. I mean, that's really all I can say about that is that it's true. So I'm taking college classes for stuff like this, starting a business on the internet and trying to get noticed and doing advertising for it and stuff like that. And it's all been great. It's all been fantastic. I've learned a ton, and I've tried implementing some of it, and it's helped. It's helped me grow, and as a developer and as a creator and as a whole bunch of different stuff. But at the same time, I have probably used it too much, and I have gone against some of the things I've learned and instead implemented things that I've seen instead. How many times can I say that? I don't know. As you guys can see, I'm a little nervous. I've been fake. I've been acting. I've been not myself. And you guys can probably tell it in my videos. And I haven't been myself in a video in a long time. Possibly not for, there's only been a few that I've really been myself. And to be honest, I don't want to be fake. I don't want to be known for the content I create or the videos that I make. I don't want to be known for what I do. I don't want, at the end of the day, when I'm dead, I don't want to be known for the stuff I've made. I'm sorry if I'm getting a little salty or whatever, but it's true. It's so true. I don't want to be known for what I've done and what I've made or the kind of stuff that I make. I mean, having a niche market is great and it works. It's good. It's good for business, and I don't want to be that kind of channel. I made this Trey Vidman channel to make content that I want to make. That's why I didn't make a genre-specific channel name. I made it because it's me. It's who I am, and I haven't been true to that. I've watched a lot of YouTubers and criticized them for being fake when I've done the same thing. And this is me being real with you guys. I don't want to be known for what I've made. I want to be known for who I am. And the reason why I've been so scared to post this, to say this stuff, is because I was afraid of losing. I have made it farther with this channel than I ever thought was possible. Getting over 100,000, 150,000 views on one video. Getting 1,000 subscribers. I just don't believe it. And it's awesome. And I've learned I want to do this. I want to make it. And I want to do this for a living. I think it's amazing. But when I look into the future and I think of the kind of videos I want to do, I always stop myself and think, that's not going to work. It's not going to work because that's not your channel. That's not the videos that you make. It's not what I've done so far. So where am I going with this? I'm sure is a very big question on a lot of people's minds. And it's on my mind too. Where the heck am I going with this? I am changing things up. First thing I'm doing is I'm getting rid of segments. To be honest, I hate segments. And I know it sounds terrible. It's awful because that's how this channel has worked ever since I started it. But I hate them because, to be honest, I don't want to have to announce a new kind of video. I don't want to have to do that. I want to be able to release a video and not have any kind of context, not have any kind of whatever with it. I want to make a video and show it to you guys and be excited about it. And right now, I'm not. I have taken a lot of breaks in this channel, specifically because of the work it takes for me to get motivated to make a video. Throughout the last 2-3 years, it's been really difficult because I try to make a popular video. And to be honest, I don't want to get ruled by views. I don't want to be ruled by views anymore. The content that I make or the whatever. I just want to be me. Not the things I want you guys to see. I don't want to be fake. Not anymore. So, from here on out, this channel is going to be about me. Not in a selfish, oh, it's all about me kind of a way. That's not what I meant to say. That's not how I wanted to make it sound. But this is going to be about my life. What I do, what I like, how I do things, the adventures I take, and I want to take you guys with me. And I hope you guys want to come. I hope you guys want to come with. So, if I want to make a music video, or a gaming video, or just something fun, skit, or a cosplay tutorial, or a vlog, whatever, then we'll do it. That's what I want this channel to be about. It's about you guys coming along on these adventures with me, joining me on these different things, learning things that I've learned, and I want to be able to be serious with you guys. I want to be able to be real with you guys. I want you guys to be okay. So I hope you guys are okay with this, and I'm taking a risk. It's scary, but in the end, I think it'll be worth it. So thank you guys for coming along this journey with me, and I will see you vidlins at the next Vidman video. Catch you guys later. Bye-bye. Let's go!